So let's look at gold on a daily time frame. Xavier first hub. From what gold is doing, we prefer to look at gold from daily perspective and we carry on the sentiment as Sydney opens on Sunday to possibly see where price is heading. And we have from the bottom on the ascending trend line, you can see that price presents itself a sell opportunity for those who has missed the 2,650 sell call. We sent a call for sale at 2,650 into 2,655 and into 2,660. So if you miss that opportunity, I think the market presents another opportunity for sale based on the daily time frame. And we're going to look at it from multiple perspectives where we'll find more evidence that price might continue to drop. Price might continue to drop. There's an opportunity to see that the week has closed on full retest to a broken ascending trend line. I would like to look at the price action on daily and point out why we are sure of a potential sell opening of the week. We have here demand structure, break of the demand structure, in fact, a mess of a structure, the price return here to create an ascending trend line. We have the demand floor, through demand floor, and price returns again on demand. And we have seen ourselves move up due to Fed hawkish rate cuts and other FOMC monetary policy change. Price has dropped. On technical, we should have been in price should have been something like this and will continue to trade up. Where we anticipate a new all-time high, but that didn't happen. That does not mean this will not happen, but at the moment, a lot of central banks are pausing on buying gold. So such a pause in gold accumulation will ultimately affect gold rally. But if that happens and gold buying resumes, we have a position where we also expect price to come and give us that sell. Here we have a resistance structure, becomes a supply roof, here becomes a supply roof, and ultimately supply roof. We have three supply roof on the ascending trend line. So a push into this place, we see gold complete this structure at 2,940, 2,300. So in the future, gold is most likely might tap into 3,000. Nobody can tell. But let's look at the structure. Let's look at the structure and let's not be carried away by what the market is doing. So we want to keep our chart as clean as possible in order to keep a clean bias. So this is what we have for ACE and you see price by close of Friday rejecting a breakout from ascending trend line. And we have another roof from this structure where we see price. We want to touch every aspect of this. The rally started from here. So we like to use our price action to gauge our roof where we expect price to return and respect us in line with the structure of the market. So this becomes my new bearish order block at this level where institutions are selling. And you can look at their take home profits. So for every sell at that level is massive. Sell at this level, massive. Sell at this level, massive. Sell at this level is massive. Sell at this level is massive. So we want price to return at that level again, and a return into that level is going to be a massive dump in price. So at the moment, let's look at the structure and go with the flow. So what we're trying to see is that the price is broken out in structure. We have here demand floor, demand floor, demand floor, demand floor, breakout of the demand structure. And price returns on retest in the zone of 2,629 to 2,630. And it's making its way down. And we look at other conflicting evidence as this might be a breakout, a fake breakout, what we consider a fake breakout. Here we have a resistance structure, daily resistance structure, and we have a retest, and the price has played into a buy position based on the structure we have here. Is a daily resistance structure, daily supply roof. So patience might be key and critical at the moment. You have here as a supply roof, break of a supply roof, price came down, broke the structure after tapping impulse from the roof 2,789 into 2,790. Price has rejected under heavy bearish impulse, broke the structure. But when price came and look at the retest, November 13th, Wednesday precisely, price respected the structure before breaking it after tapping liquidity from the floor, a demand floor that had price 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Price has upswing. Now when we return under fair hawkish cut, price broke the structure and came back on weakness, but we are held by a demand floor. So this could be a fake out. That if in a common week and we see price return back to this level, it becomes a buying market. It means that gold buying suddenly resume. That's what it means. So we need to be very careful at this level because we watch price and but on technical, what I see that will happen that the price week might continue to consolidate. So the remaining day is going to be a sell, and that sell, if by close of the day we have a daily candle close below this, then we are done with retest where we begin to find our way down. And if we find our way down, it looks dirty. It looks dirty because I have this structure. I will have always looked at this structure. We have looked upon this structure for a very long time where we expect price will come here in line with the previous price action where price has been held on demand. For every time price approaches this level, we expect a potential buy opportunity. So what we see here is that price returns to this level where we have a buy. But before that, we need a confirmation breakout from this structure. A breakout from this structure, then price will retest and will continue to sell down. But however, if this is considered a fake out, then we want price to return to ascending trend line to a rejection color, where we expect that this buy ascending trend line will go price and where we hope to go high. So in this case, we will remain on a daily time frame for SAUSD, ignoring intraday analysis as this may be very deceitful and we are more interested in equity preservation. So we look at this level for a potential red zone and we change the status to red. So on daily, we remain on daily and we have another structure holding price on buy. We have here a demand floor, break of a demand floor. We have here break of a supply roof and return. This is a retest to a broken supply roof. So on daily, we have to be patient to see we have a clear confirmation to continue to short. So we have here and price have returned. So what we see here on daily is also a reflection of intraday analysis. So what we want to see at this level is we want to see price break out from this. If price breaks out from here, it's maybe we should have over 1,000 pip drop from this level. So if price breaks out from there, I would like to go short. I would like to go short from here. So if price breaks out from here, I would like to go short, keeping our stop loss very tight. Then let's see how we move here. I'll stop this rest at this place with over 1,000 pip drop. But however, if price breaks out from here, it's an opportunity to go long, where we see ourselves take this rally from here as a constant buying demand floor. On this area, you see gold move to 2,300. It's more possible that we could see 3,000 level for SAU USD at this rate. So we continue to follow the structure to see if this is possible. But at the moment, I think the strategy favors a downward movement of SAU USD based on breakout structure. What structure was broken? Ascending structure where we have seen ourselves play here a structure at this level, break of a structure, like retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, retest 4, breakout structure, and price is heading down. So I think 2,630 was the last sell opportunity for those who missed 2,650, a 200 pip cut from the previous drop range. So we could begin to see this come down and technical, it makes sense to see that price might play into this technical formation. Then the next one we want to see from the roof, where we have a very clean structure breakout. So if we have price come down to this level, we will have to contend with this level. And if we contend with this level and we manage to break the structure, then it opens a new wave of buy. So at the moment, we still be very skeptical at this level, which is 2,726, 2,725. So at this level, we want to see price how it reacts at this level. So if we manage to break the structure, then it opens a new wave of buy where we target to go higher. So you buy high, you go high. You buy high, you go high. So this is what we have. I think at the moment we will stop all intraday analysis and focus on daily, weekly to have a clear directional bias as to where SAU is headed. So this is what we have for now. Shall we first swap SAU USD?